To the Amazon River. It's a vast section of the country of Brazil that holds great beauty and mystery. We sent our intrepid reporter Kerry Sanders deep into the Amazon basin to tell us more.
A vast jungle that's home to wildlife and plants still to be discovered. Monkeys of all shapes and sizes here. Birds boasting with color. Magical pink dolphin, playful when a group of children feed them pieces of cut bait. And of course there are the Brazilians who call these riverbanks home. The Amazon. Here in Brazil, this unique rainforest is larger than New York, California, Utah, and Tennessee combined. Simplicity, like Alejandro shimmying up an acai tree. The Rivera family believes what the Yanomami Indians discovered 250 years ago. The nuts hold unique powers. Stripped from the limbs, mixed with boiling water, then mashed. A little help, always welcome.
Today's show does a cooking segment.
In the rainforest, the acai drink is believed to help women after birth and to give anyone who drinks it a burst of energy.
Tá bom, Jeffrey? Yeah, tá bom. Tá bom. It's good.
Sebastian Rivera then told me one other thing about this drink. It's Amazon Rainforest Viagra.
Natural Viagra.
In keeping with the spirit of the people here, Sebastian would not let me leave empty-handed. The Amazon rainforest, sometimes called the lungs of the planet, unlike any other place on Earth. For today, Kerry Sanders, NBC News, in the Amazon rainforest.